Hello, art friends. Get those pencils going. We're going to be drawing Sandy from SpongeBob. All right, so to start with, we are going to put her head right here. Her big old body comes here, and her giant boots are down here. So to start with, we're going to draw an oval. And then we're gonna draw a circle with another little circle inside, leaving some white. She's got her 3 eyelashes right here. And then her other eye touches circle. We've got 3 eyelashes right there. And then we've got her head right here. And we're drawing her little ear, like so. And then this is gonna drop down. And then we're gonna draw her great big smiley face. So we're gonna start at the nose. We're gonna come up. Lucky. It's my dog, Lucky. He wants some loving. It's gonna come back around like that, and I know that looks so crazy, but it'll look better in a second. Then we're gonna draw a line coming across, some little smiley face lines. Then it's gonna come back down and back around. And then she's got her big old squirrel teeth right here. And she's got a tongue that goes behind. And then this is all dark right here. Just like so. There we go. All right, we're doing good. And she's got her neck like that. And now for her robot suit. I guess it's a underwater suit, isn't it? Okay, so to start with, it's gonna come out here. Come around like so. Then we're gonna have another line in here for the inside of it. And then we're gonna drop it down, come around to the front, come up like that. And we're gonna have to lengthen her neck here. There we go. Then she's got like a, doesn't she have like a thing on the top of her? Like that, so she can be in Bikini Bottom. Okay, then we're gonna draw her arm. So we're gonna start with a curvy line out here. It's gonna come down, back up like so, and there is her hand. And then it's gonna come back up, and it's gonna have some curvy lines in it like so. And then her suit comes under that, has a curvy line like that, and then it comes back up to the top. Then for this arm, it's gonna come out. We're gonna have a curvy line like that, and then a curvy line like this, and then we're gonna have another little line comes in like so, curvy lines like so, so that it looks like she's got a round suit on. And then we've got a circle, 2 diagonal lines, and a little curved line at the bottom. And then we've got some curvy lines here. And she's got a little emblem on her underwater suit. I think it's like a nut, like that. And then we've got her 2 legs. So they come out from about there, like that. You guys are doing great. And then her big boots go Go straight down, across. They have a tread on them. And then they come back up and go across there. An accent line. Little accent line. Looks good. Now we got another curvy line. That goes down. I will love you in a minute. I'm finishing this for the kids. You're gonna have to be patient. Okay, there's her tread here, and then her big old boot, like so. We've got another accent line. There we go. And there is Sandy at Bikini Bottom. Oh, but wait. I see it. We forgot her tail. There we go. And then we've got another little line that comes out here. And then her big old fluffy squirrel tail is right there. And then let's put a little flower back here for Sandy. And you know what? I like things in threes, so I'm gonna put another one right here. Oh yeah, she looks good. Okay, hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania.